Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 different types of 3D printed filament cutters, why you need them, how they work, and which one might be the best for your setup. I'll show you how to assemble each one, and even how I mount one directly to the top glass of my Bambu Lab P1S. Oh, and trust me, once you've used one of these, you'll never cut filament the same way again. The first filament cutter I'll discuss today is sleek and has a lightweight design. This filament cutter uses 2 springs, which are 4mm by 25mm. It uses 2 M3 by 30mm screws and a blade. This is a sleek filament cutter. Lightweight, pocket-sized, and it feels super satisfying when it snaps filament cleanly. The second filament cutter is mountable to your Bambu P1S. This filament cutter has a very similar look and function to the first cutter, but this one mounts directly to your Bambu P1S top glass cover. It uses the same hardware, 2 springs, 2 M3 by 30mm screws, and a blade. The beauty of this one is that it's always there when you need it. No more searching around the desk. It's mounted up top on the P1S, ready to go. For filament cutters 1 and 2, make sure you insert the blade into the slot, add springs over the screw posts, insert and tighten M3 by 30mm screws, and ensure the blade action is smooth. Make sure the blade sits flat and the springs return the cutter smoothly. It should feel snappy, but not too tight. The last filament cutter requires no springs, no screws, just the blade. As mentioned before, this filament cutter only needs a blade, and you can get these blades on the Bambu store. You don't need any screws or springs, and the nice thing about it is it cuts filament and PTFE tubing. This one is genius in its simplicity. Just slide the blade in and you're done. No hardware needed, and it cuts PTFE tubing like butter. So which one is the best? Want something always ready and mounted? Go with cutter number 2. Want portable and stylish? Cutter number 1 is perfect. Want ultra simple and also be able to cut PTFE tubing? Cutter number 3 is your pick. No matter which one you choose, having a filament cutter makes filament swaps quicker, cleaner, and way more satisfying. These little cutters save time, prevent nozzle clogs, and just make your printing life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which cutter is your favorite, or if you think there is a better design. Hit the like button if this helped, subscribe for more 3D printing projects, and I'll see you in the next one.